Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm King Dino, and on this episode we are in Echuca and we're with some people too, so this is going to be very fun and very exciting, so stay tuned. But before we start this video, as per usual, please go down below, like, subscribe and ring that bell and tell everyone about us. All right, let's go explore Echuca. Challenge yourself on the road, in the bush or online. Register now for road and mountain bike rides, fun rides, half marathon, runs and walk. So we've just arrived to the NRMA caravan park in Echuca. I think I got the letters right. That's a bit of a tongue twister. But we're here with my brother, his wife, his two kids, and my dad. And we have got 3 sites next to each other, which is really cool. So we're all set up here. I'll show you the rest of the setup. We'll go for a bit of a walk. So this is our typical setup. Then we've got my brother's van through here. And then we've got my dad's van. So that's the setup. We've got the 3 vans all next to each other. It's awesome. But now, before it gets too dark, I'm going to quickly whip up a cheese putter for all of us to have. Yum. Just about to head across to next door where my brother and his wife are camping with their kids, and he is going to be cooking Adam and myself breakfast this morning, so I don't have to get nothing out and I don't have to do the dishes, hopefully. Anyway, it's just nice to have someone cook for you sometimes. So Lee's over here cooking us breakfast, yummo. And so this is their van. Oh, hi. This is their van. It's a Jacob expander. So it's written right there, but obviously I can't read backwards and I don't have eyes in the back of my head. And there's Adam and Twyla, and yeah, so they're here in their van. And then on this side we have my dad's van. And yeah, so I don't know what's that one. Oh, there we go. It's a Jayco Swift. Is that it? Jayco Swift. So here it is. So if I die, you know it was Lee's fault. Looks good, but yum. So it's very well known for flooding in Echuca, and this is one thing I've always loved looking at. It actually has all the years that there has been floodings here, and then the same as this one here. So you can actually see how far the flooded waters came up when it's flooded in Echuca and Moama across the water there. It's looking nice today. It's very hot. It's about 35 degrees. Headed down to the port of Echuca. This is one of my favourite places to come visit every time I'm in Echuca, because this is where they filmed the movie All the Rivers Run. It's almost like being at Southern Hill, and it's cool, it's free, and there's plenty of different places in here. You can even buy wine, you can chase some port, they got a metal shop. They've got so much here, and it's all free. Come check it out. Also down this street is where you get your tickets to go on the paddle steamers. So if you're looking to get tickets, you can book them online, or you can come down here and book them at one of the offices. There's a few around. Having my first taste. So we're here at St. Anne's doing taste testing. I'm just trying this port here. We've done some wine tasting. It's absolutely beautiful. And check this place out. Isn't it beautiful? So you can come down here, taste their port, taste their wine. You can do some retail shopping. It's a win-win basically. So we're sitting down in the Shamrock Beer Garden. It's absolutely beautiful. They normally have live music here. Got my wine. And we're just going to enjoy one of their 101 different palmies. Yeah, check that out. Now that was one amazing Parmigiana. If you, I can't even say that word properly, but if you're ever down in Echuca, you've got to go check out those Parmigianas. There's 101 different Parmigianas. How crazy is that? That is just insane. Anyway, we're heading back to camp now, and it has been a really nice day down in Echuca. Just back, and it's time to cool down a little bit. Twyla's in her favourite position, in front of her fan. She's loving it, chilling out. Just got up from a bit of a nana nap. Twyla cooled right down, got the aircon on. It's so nice in here, but we can't stay in here. We're going to go out, and my brother is going to cook us a roast. I think he's cooking a roast pork on his barbecue. We've made some salads, so it's time to pour a vino and head over there and check out what he's getting up to on that barbecue. So what are we doing here, Lee?
We're selecting the doneness.
Yes.
For the meat that we want.
Oh.
And I think we're going to go with medium.
Medium, yep.
We're cooking pork today.
Yep.
And once we put this probe into the meat,
yep,
we'll start cooking.
Fantastic. Well, all good things come to an end. So we're about to pack up and get out of the caravan park by 10 o'clock. I reckon they should change that rule. I think they seriously need to make it like 11 or 12. But anyway, gonna go have some showers, pack all this up and move on. Not cooking breakfast this morning. We're headed into town. We're going to go find somewhere for lunch. Oh, well, for breakfast lunch, maybe. We're just in the main street now and it's absolutely packed. Lately, all these towns we've been going to in Victoria are just chockers. Check it out. We've stopped at Beechworth's Bakery. I hear this is the best bakery in town. We're just ordering now. Adam's inside ordering and Twyla's here. She's happy and we're going to eat. Well, that is the end of this adventure. We're on our way home. We've just stopped at Rochester to see these amazing pictures. Look at this on the side of these solos. So good. There is so many around Victoria. We're going to see plenty more on our next journey. So make sure you stay tuned and please remember to go down the bottom and like, subscribe and tell everyone about us. All right, we'll see you on the next adventure, guys.